Hello, this is Eugen from Prokuria, and in this short video I'll show you how to work with POs in our platform. I already have a PO prepared and I will guide you through it. Basically, in the summary section we will have the name of the PO. We'll suppose that we are a company that wants to buy office furniture and supplies and we need to submit this PO. We have the status, which by default is in draft, who has been created by, who is the owner of the PO, so who is the person responsible for it. We will choose a supplier to whom we will send this order, and also who is the contact from this particular supplier. On the additional fields, we can add whatever fields we require in order to get whatever information is needed for the POs. We recognize that each company is different and has its own flows and regulations, and as such, for this instance, we only added the delivery date and the payment terms. On the PO items, we will have all of the items that we want to purchase. Through this purchase order, we can, in order to add new items, we can add them one by one and complete all this information here, or we can simply add the items from a file. So we'll have an Excel template which we will simply fill in, or we can add all of the items from a catalog. This catalog can be completed with whatever information you require here. We can, for example, filter by any type of category, and we can simply select what items we want to put in the PO. On the invoices section, we can add whatever invoices are required. However, this is a field mostly reserved for the suppliers, as when they receive the PO, they will be able to upload their invoices related to this PO. Also, we have implemented a simple approval flow, which we will do just now. So basically, let's send this PO to approval and see exactly what happens. So when it is sent, we see that the audit log, which keeps track of all of the activities done on this PO, we see that it has been populated with this action. The status of the PO has changed to pending approval, and what the approver can do here, he can change whatever quantities or any information related to the PO items. He can delete some, add some, and also in the comment section he can start an internal thread with other stakeholders of Prokuria in order to align with those changes. He can simply tag someone from Prokuria and just continue this discussion. The comment section will not be available to the suppliers, of course. After everything has been done, the approver can simply approve, and an email notification will be sent to the person that submitted the PO, and he or she will be informed that the PO has been approved. Once the PO is approved, and we see here that the status is also approved, what we can do is we can simply send the PO to the supplier, and I will show you what happens when we send this PO. Basically, what happens is the supplier will receive an email notification, which I will show you shortly. And once the supplier receives the notification, which looks like this, you will see the name of the PO and some of the details. The supplier will simply need to click on the View PO button, and what will happen is the supplier will be redirected to a secure link where he will have access to all of the information related to the PO. You will see all of the items here, and also he can add the invoices. Let's just add here an invoice, and also on the supplier notes he can put whatever information he wants. For example, we will add a note regarding an advance payment which is required. And once the supplier submits this information, on the buyer side we will see that the invoice will be available. So it's very easy to send these invoices, and also being back on the supplier side, the supplier can easily communicate with the buyer through this message center functionality. Let's suppose that the supplier cannot deliver all of the desks. Let's say he can only deliver 5 desks in the first transport and the 5 in another transport. We will simply send here a message to the buyer informing him of this situation. We can also attach any kind of documentation. Once we send this message on the buyer side, what will happen is the buyer will be notified of this message, and he will see the message in the message center, where we can simply comment on this and continue the thread if required. So this way the PO is interactive. This has been a short overview of how to use POs in Prokuria. If you would like to learn more about this functionality, please feel free to contact us via the contact form on our website prokuria.com. Have a great day. Bye.